Wheatstone's bridge. An important application of Kirchhoff's law is the Wheatstone's bridge. Wheatstone's network consists of resistance P, Q, R and S connected to form a closed path. A cell of EMF E is connected between points A and C. The current I from the cell is divided into I1, I2, I3 and I4 across the 4 branches. The current through the galvanometer is Ig. The resistance of galvanometer is G. Applying Kirchhoff's current law to junction B, I1 minus Ig minus I3 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. Applying Kirchhoff's current law to junction D, I2 plus Ig minus I4 is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Applying Kirchhoff's voltage law to closed path A, B, D, A, I1P plus IgG minus I2R is equal to 0. This is the third equation. Applying Kirchhoff's voltage law to closed path A, B, C, D, A, I1P plus I3Q minus I4S minus I2R is equal to 0. This is the fourth equation. When the galvanometer shows 0 deflection, the points B and D are at same potential and Ig is equal to 0. Substituting Ig is equal to 0 in equation 1, 2 and 3, I1 is equal to I3. This is the fifth equation. I2 is equal to I4. This is the sixth equation. I1P is equal to I2R. This is the seventh equation. Substituting the values of 5 and 6 in equation 4, I1P plus I1Q minus I2S minus I2R is equal to 0. I1 into P plus Q is equal to I2 into R plus S. This is the eighth equation. Dividing 8 by 7, I1 into P plus Q divided by I1P is equal to I2 into R plus S divided by I2R. P plus Q divided by P is equal to R plus S divided by R. 1 plus Q by P is equal to 1 plus S by R. Q by P is equal to S by R, or P by Q is equal to R by S. This is the condition for bridge balance. If P, Q and R are known, the resistance S can be calculated.